Hi, this is a product demo of Sensie. If I'm familiar with Sensie. What we've done is created motion-based biomarkers for cognitive and emotional well-being. So we track movement using sensors in the smartphone to measure the nervous system's response to thought and spoken word. And so we measure muscular tension associated with thought and spoken word. And we do that by a unique gesture which you can see over here. The unique gesture is a triple whipping gesture. So it's a 1, 2, 3. And what we do is we measure the bounce of the hand, wrist, and forearm using the sensors in the phone. I'll do a quick demo. So as you can see here, there is some tips at the bottom here which explain how to do the gesture properly. Down at the bottom, you tap the button. And then this next piece here, what you'll see is that there's a slider. You just slide that with your thumb, and then you whip the phone. 1, 2, 3. And you saw the sensor data tracing my gesture. So that's the gesture and how we measure stress, the tension of the nervous system, using sensors in a smartphone. There's a lot of applications for Sensie. So what we did is we built a coaching platform or a healthcare platform where you can author packs of self-inquiry where people can ask different statements and check in on their health, check in on their nervous system's response to the different topics. So the first pack I'll just demonstrate here is a physical health pack. So in this pack, I can check on my hydration. I can check to see if I'm well rested. I can check to see if my movement routine supports me, so if I'm in good physical health. And the way that works is I just tap the button at the beginning, at the bottom, take statements, and then the first statement comes up. I read the statement, I think and feel, I swipe, I do the gesture. And then it'll process that and it'll tell me if I'm blocked or in flowing. So we use the language of blocked and flowing because that's the language of the nervous system. And I'm going to skip this pack because this is a quick demo. And so here now what you'll see is after going through the pack, it gives you an output of which topics are in flow, which topics are blocked or a source of stress for the nervous system. And then what you can do is you can actually tap on the little dots on the side there on one of the topics that's blocked, and you can do a breathing exercise. So we have different ways to clear the stress of the nervous system so that an individual can learn how to self-regulate and how to clear stress and get the feedback they need from the device they already have. So there's the breathing exercise. We'll pause that there. One other thing that we have is a whole healthcare platform. It's a coaching platform, essentially. That can help a coach author these packs of self-inquiry that are more custom to what they want to know about their clients, their patients, or pilots in this case. And then when a pilot or a patient or client checks in using the mobile app, their data streams to the coaching dashboard, which you can see here. You can get all the data that you need on as many clients as you have or as many pilots as you have in real time to better manage population health and really support the flourishing of your employee population. So that's the product out of Snap. There's a lot more under the hood, and I look forward to sharing more about it with you. Thank you.